What have been your key pain points in delivering a superior customer experience in the last few months? Maybe Mr. Bhandari, you could start.
I got to see the pain points which were there pre-COVID and the pain points which you solved during the COVID as the major highlights. So pre-COVID, people were not very comfortable moving to digital. Post-COVID, you generally see a change. People whom you requested, or the corporates you requested to move in around for a couple of years, 1 year, 3 years, and 5 years, and we have examples of that. Move to digital signatures, move to digital loan documentations, and move to the digital journeys thanks to the pandemic. We don't have tens, hundreds, and thousands. You have much, much more cases for each one of them to actually make it work. This also ensured that all the teams, even at the bank, come together and try to think digital compared to the earlier physical mode which used to be there. We did realize we had launched the video KYC very recently. I think we were the first bank to launch it. And during such times, you find the real value of digital. Our 811 account, which is a 3-minute digital account which you can open. So when the entire country was not able to work, all the employees were in office, you actually found a bit of you found, I think, 15,000 odd accounts being opened every day when no one was actually going to office, no one was having the physical paper. And a sum total and a total of that, you generally realize, I think, digitization became the thing. I'm sorry for, I think, the noise which is coming around from the nearby. I guess it must be disturbing some part. But we do realize that I think there are a couple of themes which come out of the entire 9-month period. I think if I were to call, starting from March and as we are in December, that real time becomes much, much more important. Self-service, which you always wanted to have assisted journeys, suddenly becomes a self-service as the way to do it. Transparency has been a thought, but during in the new world, I think that becomes the way the customers would like to, I think, see you. Empathy, we generally call a data-driven empathetic ecosystem, is what customers look at.